Everyone is chasing AI stocks, but almost no one is getting paid while holding them. Right now, hyperscalers are spending hundreds of billions on AI infrastructure, and instead of buying shares, I'm using a strategy that generates monthly income while positioning for upside. It's called the PMCC, Poor Man's Covered Call. And I'm going to show you today why AI infrastructure stocks are the best targets right now. In this video, I'm going to break down the poor man's covered call options strategy and show you 3 AI stocks that are prime targets for this strategy right now. And I'll show you the exact trades and how to place them on the trading platform. So, Darren, why the poor man's covered call strategy right now? I mean, these AI stocks are way down. Exactly. Now, this is the setup that most people are missing. It's infrastructure. We're talking data centers, GPU clusters, power plus energy scaling. And the key driver, hyperscaler CapEx is exploding. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are all racing to build AI capacity. And now, here's where it really gets interesting. These infrastructure stocks have huge contracts already locked in, they're capital intensive, and they trade at high implied volatility. That's exactly what you want for poor man's covered calls, because leaps give you the leveraged exposure and you're buying in at a low, a bottom, and the short calls generate that monthly income, and you can collect more with the high volatility, more premium every month to pay off those leaps contracts in less than 12 months and control the 100 shares theoretically for free. Guys, one thing I ask, one thing only, smash that like button down below. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel to get the video out to more people. And you're certainly welcome to subscribe as well. We're at an all-time high for subscribers. And check out in the link below, join the free Discord, free now, free for life. If you get in now, you can see my trades and adjustments like right here that I put on every single day. And I even have a stock option question section. So if you're new to options, you can ask questions and I answer them almost immediately. Thanks. All right, guys. Stock number 1, Core Scientific, CoreWeave, ticker CRWV. And this isn't your typical AI stock. This is the infrastructure that's powering AI. And why CoreWeave is interesting. Well, it's got 420% revenue growth in just the last year, massive $25 billion plus backlog, and multi-year contracts with top AI players. They've got around 11.9 billion tied to OpenAI through 2030. So that's visibility. And they've got a strategic edge as well. 50,000 plus NVIDIA GPUs are deployed already. And NVIDIA invested $100 million in CoreWeave. So, I mean, that's a huge backing by somebody that's not going away. Now, they've got the largest GPU deployment partner. And think about that. NVIDIA supplies the chips and invest in the infrastructure layer. I mean, that's kind of cheating, right? And that's the vertical integration that's happening in real time. And why did the stock drop? Not sure. Well, the whole AI trade, all those stocks got hit bad. So now's the perfect time to get in with the poor man's covered calls. That's what I'm doing. Now, margins had been moving down a little bit, but there's heavy CapEx spend and scaling challenges. Yeah, they're talking about that and the AI data center build out slowing, but I just don't see it. The classic infrastructure build out phase, I believe, is happening right now. So this is the perfect time for the poor man's covered call. You can buy the in the money leaps, and I'm going to show you how to do it here on CoreWeave. We can sell monthly calls against it and generate that income while we wait for the recovery and the move up, which I believe it's doing today. All right, guys, here we are on the Tastytrade trading platform, my favorite for trading options. There's a link down below, benefits if you go through my link, so check it out. You can look at the income statement and the balance sheet right here on this tab, and we're on the financials page, and you can see quarterly revenue and net income moving up solidly. So when people think of CoreWeave, they think it's not financially stable, but I mean, look at this income statement and then the balance sheet, the assets and the liabilities, but they're backed by NVIDIA. So it's they're in pretty strong position going forward with their backlog. And then if you look at the gross margins, 71%. So unbelievable. And if you look at the chart here, you can see it's back down. There's a lot of support down at this level, but I've got the 200-day in the red here, moving average, and we've got the 50 below it. But bottom of the Bollinger Band, good time to get in. We just moved up to the middle of it, 79. So I like it right here. Again, lots of support. So let's go to the trade page. I like to go about a year out if you followed some of my poor man's cover call trades, because if you're buying it a year out, you've got you don't have to spend that much on the leaps option, and then you can write the calls, cover calls against it. So we'll go 352 days to expiration. We're on the table mode of the trade page, and then open that up. And then we can go right here to the 75, which is the 69 delta. I like to go above the 65 delta, but that gives you a pretty good cost. You can go deeper in the money. It's a little bit more expensive. You can go to the 70, is the 72 delta. But if we go 75, we're right here at 27.85. You know what? Let's go 70, and the mid price puts us at 39 or 30.95. So right at $3,000, because one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So $30.95 is $3,095. But if we were to buy the stock outright, the price is $79.32 times 100. 100 shares would be almost $8,000. So less than half the cost to control the same 100 shares. Now, if we go here to curve mode, you can see just like owning the stock, as we increase in price, the price of the option contract goes up. So if we get up, in above 100, we really start to make good money, and the return on investment on our $3,000 is much higher utilizing the leaps, as long as it goes up. So the other beauty of this is, let's go back to table mode. We'll close this up. What I like to do is sell the short call against it with the poor man's covered call strategy. So we'll go out. I like to go 30 to 45 days on the short call. So we'll open up the May 15th, 44 days to expiration. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right. So this time, instead of buying the call like we did with the leaps, we're going to sell an out of the money call. And we can go all the way out here to 95 and collect $4.70. And we're on sell. As soon as I hit this, you'll see the price come down by that amount. So, wow, we can go to the 22 delta 265. The 28 delta is 360, and then 410 for the 31 delta, the 97.5, and that gives us a lot of move to move up. Actually, we're at 80 now. We can move up 15 points and collect 475. I'm going to do that. It's a little bit more aggressive, but there's still a 1 minus 34. There's still a 65% chance that it's going to stay below that. If it does breach it, then we just roll it up and roll it out if we're within 15 to 20 days. But here we go. I'm going to click on the 470, and it's going to watch the price reduce. Boom. We're down to 26.18 is the mid price. So with this, if we collected $400 a month, we could pay that off in 6 months and control, theoretically, the 100 shares for free. So that's how the poor man's covered call is done. We just hit review and send and place the trade. All right, guys, stock number 2. This one's probably even more misunderstood. IREN. And IREN sits at the intersection of AI infrastructure plus energy. And energy is the bottleneck for the AI infrastructure build out. In the big picture, AI doesn't scale without power. And companies like IREN own data center infrastructure. They control energy sourcing and are pivoting into AI workloads. So why did it sell off? Again, there's market confusion going on with the Middle East situation. So the whole market dropped. There's the CapEx concerns, spending too much, that it's building out too fast. And we're just in a transition phase. But long term, I mean, this sounds familiar, right? I mean, a lot of people are going to be buying in. They're going to scale in as soon as the stock moves up. And why buy at the highs? Buy at the lows. It's inevitable that it's going to move up. So same story in every early stage infrastructure build. Now, the poor man's cover call advantage, again, we talked about that already. So let's jump into the trade. Right, guys, IREN, if we look at it right now, look where it is. We've got the 50 trending above the 200-day moving average, and we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We're up a couple percentage points today, but it's at 35. So great candidate, low price stock. You can write short calls against it and collect good premium. And hey, one thing I wanted to show you guys as well on the research page, you can always go about IREN and it gives you a quick overview right here on the platform. The officers' names, number of employees, some more information. So, and then again, we've got all the financials like I showed you on the last one with CoreWeave. But right now, I've got a poor man's cover called 298 days to expiration, 45. So I got in a little bit higher, and we've had this pullback. So great time to put on another one. What we do is go to the trade page. I go out about a year. So we'll look at, we're 298 day or 289 versus 660. Let's look at the price difference. If it's not that much, I'll just go 2 years out because I know IREN is going to be good long term. So we'll first open at the 89 or 289, and then it's $1,000, $1,200 for the 67 delta for the 35. I like that. So boom, mid price 1220. Let's now hit this expiration. Boom, out 660. It's 1760. So 1760 versus 1200. It's another $500. So actually, because I expect to move up quick, I'm going to stick with 289 right now. It's a little bit more aggressive. So we'll go 289 at 1220. You know what? It's a long-term bet. Jeez, I think we'll go 1760. We can go out another year. That's 2 years. I like that even more. So 1760. And then let's see what we can collect against it every month. And we can do that now for 2 years. My gosh. Okay, close these up. Boom. And then we're going to go out to the May, 44 days to expiration. Boom. And we can collect $300 at the 42 delta. $300 every month. We can pay that off 3 times 6. I pay it off in 5 months. That's crazy. A 2 year we could pay off in 5 months. But that's at 40. They've got earnings coming up. You could even go a little higher, 44, to allow that upside on the leap. So we can go out to the $2, collect $2 at the 44. I like that. So this will come down by $2 as soon as we sell this short call. Boom, we're at 1542, $1,500. We can collect $200 income every single month. I love that. Review and send. Place the trade. All right, guys. Stock number 3. Now this is the anchor play. It's a core position in every portfolio, or it should be, and they're going to dominate for the next decade on. So NVIDIA. Now, why NVIDIA? Well, they control AI chips. They have the GPUs. They've got demand that is much greater than their supply, and that gives them pricing power, and it's absolutely unmatched. And their poor man's covered call role, again, we talked about that and the reason I like to leverage, and it's down right now, so perfect timing. And the strategy blend that we have now is we've got NVIDIA as the stable income generator, and then we've got CoreWeave and IREN with tremendous high upside, and they generate high premiums as well. So let's jump into the NVIDIA poor man's covered call. All right, guys, ticker NVDA in the upper left right here. You can see the income statement, revenue, net income. This is quarterly, super solid every single quarter. Assets, liabilities, strong balance sheet. Gross margin, 71%. They've got that pricing power. If we look at the pullback, we've got the green 50-day moving, trending above the 200. This is one I love to get in, is right when we get the 50 pulling back to the 200. And then, hey, I'm hoping to see a bounce up from here. Let me know in the comments what you think. But to me, bottom end of the Bollinger Band, we've just had a little bit of move up. We had to move up yesterday and then today after being down for a couple of weeks. But great time to get in. If we go to Yahoo Finance and look right here at the 5-year chart, you can see that pullback again. They've got a target of 268, the analyst, and we're at 176 right now. And for a solid company like this, it's incredible. If we go to the stats page, you can look at the forward PE of 21. And for a company generating this kind of net income and growth, that is extremely to me, undervalued. It's been almost double that, 39 just a few months back. And if we go to the analysis page, you can see they beat Jensen Huang's, the CEO's a genius. They beat every single quarter, and you can see the revenue and earnings increasing every quarter, and then the tremendous growth rate at 34%. So to me, NVIDIA is a solid no-brainer type stock. So let's go to the trade page, go out about a year. So 352 days, we'll open up to March 2027. We'll go in the money. I like the 65 Delta, the 165 for 38, boom. Mid price $38 basically. So $3,800 versus paying 175 times 100, 17,500. So 38, 17,500. I like the poor man's cover call. And what we can do then is close that up and open up a short-term May, 44 days to expiration, and look at the monthly income that we can collect. We can go 195 and collect 345 bucks, or 226 at 195. I think we're gonna have a big move up right now. I'm gonna go 226, but boom, we're at 35 bucks. If we collect $200 or $300 a month, we pay that off in less than a year. So we hit review and send and place the trade. Guys, the AI infrastructure trade isn't just a trade. It's a build out. AI infrastructure is going to continue to build out, and the contracts are locked in place. So it's just a matter of when it happens, not if it happens. So I like to collect income every single month, and when it happens, it happens. But until then, we just keep collecting that income. So, hey, be sure and join the free Discord, free now, free for life. If you get in now, there will be a monthly subscription charge coming up. So check out the pinned comment down below. It takes less than a minute to enter your email address, and I send you the link and you're in. You can see all my trades that I put on and adjustments daily. We've got a like-minded community of great traders where we talk about trades, and hope to see you in there. Be sure and watch this next video.